If you want to change the lock screen clock format on Windows 11, this video will help you. Many users notice the clock on the lock screen as soon as they turn on their PC, but the time format may not match their preference. Some people prefer the 12-hour format with AM and PM, while others prefer the 24-hour format. By default, Windows May 11th not show the time the way you want, but you can easily customize it. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now open Settings by clicking the gear icon. You can also search for settings if it is not pinned. In the left menu, click on Time and Language. Now select Language and Region. Scroll down to the Region section. Click on Regional Format to expand it. Now tap on Change Formats. Here, you will see the time format options. Click on the Long Time drop-down menu. The options with AM or PM are the 12-hour format. The options without AM or PM are the 24-hour format. Select the format you prefer. Now we need to apply the same format to the lock screen. Go back to Language and Region. Click on Administrative Language Settings. In the new window, click on Copy Settings. Now check the first box to apply the time format to the lock screen. You can also apply it to new user accounts if you want. Click OK to save the changes. The next time you start your PC, the lock screen clock will show the new time format. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Windows 11 tips and fixes.